The beauty of the movie is that it doesn't have any color, language, or pattern because it conveys human emotion which is similar all around the globe. This week I am introducing 5 top-notch Russian movies that all movie lovers should watch before die. So without further ado, let's get started. Andrei and Ivan are brothers who have been raised alone by their mother. When the father suddenly returns home after vanishing some 12 years earlier, they are both extremely happy to see him back their lives. Ivan, however, quickly grows suspicious of his father and determines to find out where exactly his father vanished to all those years ago and why he suddenly decided to come back into their lives now.
Order for another visa. Kept secret. We would always ask ourselves, why did he...
This is an expedition movie but not a regular one. This expedition makes these boys tough through both emotional complex and physically enduring experiences. As expected and anticipated at some point, the relationship with their father reaches a breaking point and all the hell breaks loose in an unimaginable ways. The way the kids deal with the situation imposed on them is emotional yet bold and appears shocking for the viewers. I would say this is one of the best Russian movie I ever watched. Hence I highly recommend the 16+ rated movie. An estranged Russian couple, Boris and Xenia, is in the terrible final stages of a bitter divorce. Under those circumstances, as both have already found new partners and want to start over. But their 12-year-old son started to feel that he is an intolerable burden. However, what his parents don't know is that he can hear every single word. As a result, when Boris and Xenia finally realize that their son has been missing for nearly 2 days and it is already too late.
Здоровайся с людьми. 12 лет дикарь дикарем. Чуть что сразу в слезы.
This is a definite watch because this movie haunted me for few days after watching it. In any time I never felt I'm watching a movie. The characters were so real and they behaved not acted. Initially you might feel a little slow, but it gained its momentum slowly. It gave me an understanding that life is just reflections. Everywhere it's the same, with same feelings, only the color of people and language changes. It also showed an important aspect of life. You are trying to leave something behind to get happiness. You are just a chaser, a loser. You miss what was most important to you in the chase for happiness. The movie is a 13+ to watch.
Как же так вышло, что ты пел мне про любовь, а в итоге только боль и разочарование. Непроглядная полная говна жопа.
A polar station on a desolate island in the Arctic Ocean. Sergei, a seasoned meteorologist, and Pavel, a recent college graduate, are spending months in the complex isolation on the strategic research base. One day Pavel receives an important message and is still trying to find the right moment to tell Sergei. When fears, lies, and suspicion start poisoning the atmosphere, it became hard to live for them.
Гольца ел когда-нибудь свежего?
I find it impossible in the film's complex moral resolution not to see Sergei and Pavel as representing different sides of Putin's Russia. One shaped by older tradition ways, the other struggling to discover a new sets of values. But what I really like is the cinematography. Gosh, he doesn't just capture the desolation and weird beauty of the frozen landscape. He makes it play visual tricks on the eye, like mirage in the desert that fool you into thinking the place is a living, breathing menace. Movie is a 16+ to watch.
Паш, поговорить надо.
Russia coastal town, Kolya is forced to fight the corrupt mayor when he is told that his house will be demolished. He recruits a lawyer friend to help, but the man's arrival brings further misfortune for Kolya and his family. The movie highlights how circumstances and lives of those involved can uneasily unravel down when human weakness dictate our decisions. Frankly speaking, initially I felt it hard to understand the movie because of unfamiliar Russian culture.
Я же вам объясняю, прокурора нет на месте, а я не уполномочен.
But after 50 minutes, when we delve into the characters, the reason and logic behind their behaviors may help us to understand the story and characters. Each character and scene in the movie have a meaning and reason. But I would say this is not everyone's cup of tea. Movie is a 16+ to watch.
Где твой Бог милосердный?
На земле нет подобного ему.
In 1945 Russia, World War II has devastated the city, demolishing its buildings and leaving its citizens in tatters physically and mentally. But life and death struggles continue in the wreckage that remains. Two young women search for meaning and hope during the struggle to rebuild their lives among the ruins.
Воевали вместе. Дылду комиссовали после контузии. А я осталась и...
It is a beautifully acted and directed film which took me out of my living room into a post-World War II. I love the humanity that came through and the process of healing that had begun for some at least. It deeply touches our heart, and what I like is the usage of color which added to a new dimension that hasn't not seen before. It is a very heavy subject but undoubtedly done well, both the direction and the cinematography. Movie is a 16+ to watch. If you like to know more movies and series, please stay tuned to our channel and do follow our Instagram page for more updates.